In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to turn a regular image into a vector in Affinity, so let's jump into it. Right now, our image looks nice from far away or really small, but once we zoom in, you can clearly see all the little pixels right here. Okay, so you can clearly see. Now let's clean that up. At the top of your screen, select image. At the top of your screen, you have options vector. Click on that and menu opens up. Then we have image trace. Click on that. As soon as you do that, you will notice the pixel disappear instantly. Down here, you will see a few settings you can adjust if you want. Most of the time you don't need, but we can play a little bit with this picture just that we see what happens. Okay, so it looks something like, okay, I will leave it like that because I think it's pretty much as it is. Like so. Now what we need to do. Okay, so now our image is vectorized. And Affinity has split it into a bunch of individual layers, as you can see right here in the right corner. You can edit one by one separately, but it's hard to find which one is it. It's a lot of layers, so it can be tricky to find. Instead, what I do is simply clicking directly on the part of the image. So I will click on that and it shows up here. The first couple of clicks might not grab the layer you want, but just click a few times until the right section will be selected. You need a little bit patience, but you get the point. So now what we can do is also change colors, as you can see, to a different layers on your vector, to make it a little bit more funkier, like so. You can, so yeah, that's basically it. What you can do with that. You can also sharpen up, and that's it. You customize every part of them, as you can see. It's actually really simple once you know where to look. If you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you can subscribe and like the video. It helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.